Welcome to my channel अब नया क्या. As you know, Teachers' Day is on 5th September, so let's make a wall hanging for your favorite teachers. Take a chart paper and cut 3 rectangles out of it. Take another chart paper and cut 6 squares. On each set of rectangles, write what you actually feel for your teacher. As I feel my teacher is best for me, special for me, and last but not the least, she's great. Decorate it as per your choice by using ribbon or glitters. Make any design on these squares. paint it with any color or use ribbon to cover it. Take any color bangle for hanging. It's ready. Let's hang it. Decorate this hanging with any material available at home. So friends, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Wait for my next video. I'll be posting on the weekends.